Edinburgh Castle. Great Hall. This magnificent building was completed in 1512, built for James IV. And its main purpose was to serve as the chief place of royal ceremony in the castle. The Great Hall has quite a history and held many a banquet. One night in September 1561, Mary Queen of Scots, who had recently returned from France, slipped into Edinburgh Castle and devoured in a delicious dinner with her court and nobles. Edinburgh Castle's Great Hall features a magnificent, rare hammer beam roof. According to scientific analysis, the wood used to create the roof was felled in Norway and then shipped to Edinburgh. Great Hall is one of the earliest examples of Italian Renaissance influence in Britain. Originally used as a chief place for royal ceremonies, banquets, and parliamentary meetings. Later used as barracks and a military hospital by Cromwell's forces, then restored in the late 19th century. Today the Great Hall is home to a wonderful collection of armoury and weapons, including spears, lochaber axes, cavalry swords and pikes,